Okay, welcome to this first assignment. The first goal was to get used with the Google Cloud Platform console, and first I created the databases as the instruction said. But the main problem was that I used Firefox, and Firefox works fine, but when I try to open Cloud Console, it doesn't work. I'm not sure. Is it because of I have this developer edition development edition, and it has some restrictions like for Google and for Facebook, so that could be the reason. As it shows, the maybe I had some lack of my network connection, and it took some time. I did visit the platform console and copy this project ID to the code because it's easier to follow then. And okay, this is too long. I cut. Here you can see how the Google Cloud Shell works with Firefox, so it doesn't work very nice. It does, I think, almost everything, but there is some parts which doesn't work as they should. And it hangs, so it doesn't work. So here is also, I will cut now and show you next thing. So I did change to Chrome. Not yet. So I left the Firefox and changed to Chrome, and follow the instructions. So I did manage to create databases and stuff like that with the Firefox, but this Cloud Shell console doesn't work. So now it's working because I use Google's Chrome browser. So as you can see, I can see the console and I can use it. So it was fun, and I got pretty impressed about this thing because I have some knowledge about Node.js. I've tried to code something with the Node.js and find out that it works fine in desktop environments. But this seems that it really works in cloud environment, and I can use like Finland for region to the data, at least the cloud bucket, and I can use Europe, and I don't need to configure and upgrade servers and stuff like that to get Node.js up to run. So this is a pretty cool thing. Of course, there is some funny things, like I don't like so much AWS or this Google Cloud Platform controls. Like if you make buckets and want to make it public, it's not so straightforward. Of course, when you learn how to do it, it's easy. But I understand why is it so, because it's of course it's a security issue. So that's the reason, I think. But yeah, here is the I authorize Cloud Shell to config this application. First I got it from GitHub, Google's repository, and run npm install and npm start, which is familiar to me, and then I can see the results in web browser. Here is some, because I recorded this in real time, so there is I watch documentation, and I had only on the laptop screen, so I watched the instructions and stuff during I worked out with this. I just checked out what the package.json included. Yeah, so basically I got this application runs, but I have some questions on my mind for this thing, because if I put some application here for my own repository and I got it run in this cloud engine, I just wondering, is it how big kind of server there will be, and is it like automatically scalable? So if I get many visitors, how can I manage costs with this kind of thing? So is it like that I have like starter pack server, or is it this like usage page account? So if I put my own Node.js application here and I run it, I'm just wondering the costs, how they go here. And of course I tried this without instructions first, and I find out that it works, but there is an issue with the images. So I got an error if I try to put some image here, and when I write the instructions further, they told me that I need to add access rights to the bucket. So that was the reason why it went wrong. But I think that now it works fine. And there was some hassle with the bucket rights. Even I found out instruction how to make the bucket. There was some issues. Alright, maybe I trim this video now. Okay, so I chose some image and got an error. So the error was because I don't have a right named bucket for this application, so this error got from there, so it cannot save that image at all. And then I try to remove the image and save it again, yeah. So then it works because it's used the placeholder image, which I believe is some other location. So it does work now. So it's that kind of winter cat. But yeah, I got this working after some half an hour Google bucket hassle, and I got my bucket public eventually. I'm not record this video, but there was issue with the bucket. Here you can see what the issue it was. So I needed to change bucket to the faint range. I first did it with the uniforms, and this uniform does not work with this application because I think that this application want to access object and change their rights. So that was the reason.